Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, welcome to August. And it feels pretty nice out here. Everything is relative. We have temperatures in the upper 60s with a dew point of 64. In Alabama on the 1st of August, that's pretty nice. And, we're exactly 2 hours away from sunrise, so may drop a degree or two. But we know the niceness is going to go away, and we know that showers and storms will return, and so will the humidity. I've got the latest on the updated timetable on when that's going to happen, and another frontal system approaching, but this front may not make it all the way through the state over the weekend. It may get hung up, and that's going to affect the rain chances too. Plus, Emily down in Florida. Emily, you were a tropical storm for 8 hours, but your career as tropical storm was very short. Now a depression. What's next for Emily? The latest from the National Hurricane Center.
Even though Emily is approaching the east central Florida coast this morning, most of the rain associated with Emily and some very heavy stuff is in southwest Florida and South Florida, where they've been getting drenched from this system in the overnight hours. Emily will continue moving eastward and will be soon leaving Florida and out into the open Atlantic. In fact, a brand new advisory from the National Hurricane Center shows this thing going out into the open Atlantic, no longer a threat to the U.S., and probably not becoming a tropical storm again. In fact, it'll lose its tropical characteristics, I think, in a couple of days. Emily is the only thing on the board. That other system in the tropical Atlantic no longer being highlighted by the National Hurricane Center. So we'll watch the tropics for you. Still tolerable in our area today. Lower humidity indicates that, today's going to be much like yesterday. Mostly sunny with a high temperature around 90. Low tonight down to about 68, so not quite as nice tonight, but still not bad. East winds 4 to 8 miles per hour. Things will change, though. Tomorrow is kind of a day of transition. It's going to be hot, generally dry, and the humidity will start to creep back, especially as we get into Thursday. Showers and thunderstorms are back with us, and all the humidity you love will be back as well on the third day of August. And then a frontal system approaching. Here is 7 a.m. on Friday, showing a front approaching, the Memphis area, moving on to the southeast. And I think by Friday evening, the front makes it into North Alabama. Showers and thunderstorms widespread out ahead of the front. Again, this reminds us of last week, right? And it shows Saturday showers and thunderstorms across the entire area. I think that could affect some outdoor plans. Now, the NCEP forecast has this thing in central Alabama on Saturday morning, and then it shows it going all the way down to the coast, making it all the way through. That's highly controversial because I don't think that's going to happen. I think it's going to get hung up. This is the GFS, is still showing showers and thunderstorms around during the daytime hours on Sunday. So I think the front does stall, and this is the European indicating the same thing. So I don't think we're going to get lucky again. Meanwhile, as we look at Monday, showers and storms again across the area. So it looks like a few days of better than normal rain chances. In fact, I'll jack up the rain chances a bit as we get towards, Thursday at 40%, 50-50 chance. Friday and Saturday at least a 40% chance. Sunday, the clouds and showers will take the temperatures down a bit. We'll be in the low 70s at night with all the humidity, and we'll be in the mid to upper 80s during the daytime hours. Meanwhile, on the European out 10 days, you see the blue bars at the bottom showing the showers returning Thursday and right on through the weekend, and maybe a spike in activity as we get into the early part of next week. The European shows the hottest day will be today, well, actually tomorrow at 93. It's got us in the low 90s, and I think that's plausible. And then it shows how the temperatures are knocked down a bit with clouds and showers as the lows at night come up. Now, that's a key. When you see the lows at night going back from the 60s to the 70s, that shows that the humidity is back with us, and I think that's going to be the case. It also shows spiking temperatures again next week as another upper high tries to build back over the area. Your weather app will keep you up to date on the 10-day forecast, the hourly forecast, radar, and future radar. Plus, if you take it on vacation with you, you get the current weather for wherever you're at. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather.
Hey, we are 20 days away from the great eclipse. And by the way, live on the radio this morning with Rick Evans from the Gale Planetarium. He's going to be on News Talk 93.1, and we'll be asking him some questions about how you can prepare for the big eclipse. People are getting excited about it. Where can you get those glasses? And what about the timeline for the Montgomery area? So join us this morning, 8:20. That's when Rick Evans will be on News Talk 93.1. Another video for you tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. There'll be posts along the way as needed. And I hope you have a great day today. Enjoy another tolerable day on this first day of August. See you later.
Rich Thomas weather.